If you have a 500 control box, the first thing you want to do is go into the setup page, which is this left arrow on the left side. In the setup page, you want to make sure that you either select a Harrow, if you have that product, a Coulter drill, or a Paralink hoe drill. We're going to just start with the XR Harrow. If you are controlling an XR Harrow, you want to have the closed loop selected. If you touch that, it becomes open loop. Touch it again, it's closed loop. So we're going to talk a little bit more about that out of this setup page. The second thing you want to know in here is there is a night mode or a day mode. Once you have your product set up here, you can back out of the setup page and go back to your main operating screen. In the main operating screen, when you have it set up for a closed loop, and you can see the closed loop right there, and in the example of an XR Harrow, you are now controlling to pressure. If you have it set up as open loop, like this, and I back out, it controls the PWM percentage. So it's basically the percentage that the valve is open or closed. On the operation screen, when you are in closed loop, the first thing we want to talk about is engaging the pressure. So our set pressure point is now currently at 900 psi, and we can adjust that by going up or down. On the 500 control box operating screen, when your circle is green, that means it's going to control to the target pressure in this little closed loop window here. So if I want to adjust pressure, just simply use the down arrow to adjust down by 50 psi increments, and it will control to that target pressure. If you want to put the implement in float, whether it be an XR Harrow or a Paralink hoe drill or Coulter drill, just touch the center of the circle, it goes gray. Now either your openers or your Harrows are in float. Touch it again, it turns green, and now it's going to go to our target set point. Very easy to control. If you want to save presets, it's as simple as setting your target pressure and then holding either the top circle or the bottom blue circle for a few seconds. So we're going to set 700 psi in the bottom circle. So we have now a 700 psi target pressure set. I'm going to increase it to 1,000. Once you have set your target pressure, hold the top circle till it says done. Now you've got a 1,000 psi preset and you have a 700 psi preset. Very easy to have two set points to change between.